Hello friends, let's begin with the chapter number 16 of class 8 mathematics, that is the surface area and volume. So in a surface area and volume, in a previous standard we discussed about the area as well as volume. So in this chapter we are talking about the different formulas for surface area and volume of different shapes. So in which the first shape that we have is a cuboid. This cuboid. You know the cuboid is something like this, which have a 6 rectangular faces, and opposite faces of cuboid are parallel to each other. So this type of figure is called cuboid. You can see such a type of shapes in our day-to-day life everywhere. So very first, the parameters, that is length, breadth and height, that to be considered here. So L for length, B for breadth, H for height. So very first formula, surface area of cuboid, it is 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH, and volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So these important two formulae first we have to remember: surface area of cuboid and volume of cuboid. Okay. After this we have the one important shape again, that is called cube. In a cube, remember, cube is also cuboid having all the sides or edges are equal, and that is represented by L. So length, breadth and height in a cube, they are equal. Therefore, the total surface area of cube is 6L square and the volume of cube is L cube. These two formulae we have to remember here. One more important thing that all you have to remember: any area is measured in a square unit, and any volume is measured in a cubic unit. This we have to remember here. Now let's begin with the practice set 16.1 based on the area and volume of cuboid as well as area and volume of cube. So in this practice set only examples based on the cuboid are given, and there are 3 examples. So let us see one by one. In the first example, we have given a box of length 20 cm, breadth 10.5 cm and height 8 cm, and we have to find the volume of this box. So cuboidal box is there, therefore volume of cube, or we say cuboid, it is equal to L into B into H. So length is 20, breadth is 10.5 and height is 8. So we multiply here. So we get 1680. 1680. Yes. So this is the cubic centimeter. This is volume of this box. This is the first answer. Remember this. Now the second example. In the second example we have given a volume of cuboidal soap. म्हणजे पहा आपल्याला एक क्यूबिक शेपच्या साबणाचा व्हॉल्यूम दिलेला आहे. The length of this soap is 10 cm, breadth is 5 cm. We have to find the thickness. Thickness means we have to find here the height. येथे लक्षात सर्वांच्या आपल्याला साबणाचा व्हॉल्यूम दिलाय, लेंथ दिली आहे, ब्रेड दिली आहे, तर त्याची थिकनेस म्हणजे हाईट फाइंड आउट करायची. सो वी नो द फॉर्म्युला अगेन. व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज व्हॉट? V is equal to L into B into H. So H is equal to V upon L into B, where H is the thickness, T. Thickness साठी आपण small t हे लेटर यूज करू शकता. So H, that means the thickness, it is equal to 150 upon 10 into 5. So when we solve this, we cancel this 0, 5 3s, that is 3 centimeter thickness. That the soap having 3 centimeter thickness. Okay. Move on the next and last important problem here. See, in the problem, we have to construct a wall of length 6 meter, breadth 0.5 meter and height 6 meter. If we have a brick of length 25 centimeter, 15 centimeter width and 10 centimeter height, then how many bricks are required to construct this wall? म्हणजे आपल्याला अशी एक वॉल बांधायची आहे भिंत ज्याच्यामध्ये लेंथ आहे 6 मीटर, ब्रेथ आहे 0.5 मीटर आणि हाईट आहे 6 मीटर. आणि आपल्याकडे जी वीट आहे, ब्रिक म्हणजे वीट, तिची साईज काय दिलेली आहे पहा. लेंथ दिले 25 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ दिले 15 सेंटीमीटर आणि हाईट दिले 10 सेंटीमीटर. तर ती वॉल कन्स्ट्रक्ट करण्यासाठी अशा किती ब्रिक्स आवश्यक आहेत हे आपल्याला इथं विचारलेलं आहे. सो दॅट what we does here, first we convert length of wall in centimeter, breadth in centimeter and height in centimeter here. That means 1 meter contain 100 centimeter. So every time we multiply with 100 and we get the conversion like this. So remember the one more important thing, number of bricks. आपल्याला ज्या विटांची संख्या काढायची आहे, that the number of bricks is equal to volume of wall divided by volume of one brick. म्हणजे टोटल वॉलच्या व्हॉल्यूमला ब्रिकच्या एका व्हॉल्यूमनं आपल्याला डिवाइड करायचं आहे. सो व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल काय असेल पहा, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाईट आणि व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ वन ब्रिक दॅट इज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाईट अगेन. सो सॉल्व करूया. फर्स्ट 0 0 कॅन्सल केला आपण. 15 to the 60 15 4 the 60, then 25 to the 50 and finally 4 to the 8 and 8 6 the 48 00. That means 4800 bricks are required. Bricks are required. मी काय केलं लक्षात घ्या सर्वांनी. या ठिकाणी वॉलच्या टोटल व्हॉल्यूमला एका ब्रिकच्या व्हॉल्यूमने डिवाइड केलं आहे आणि हे डिव्हिजन जे केलं आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 4800 ब्रिक्स विटा ती पूर्ण वॉल बांधण्यासाठी लागतील अशा. नाउ सी वन मोर प्रॉब्लेम हियर इन द 6.1, द प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4. देयर इज अ टँक of length 10 meter, breadth 6 meter and depth 3 meter. So we have to find this here for the tank, the total capacity of this tank and how many liter water can tank hold. These two things we have to find here. पहा आपल्याकडे एक टँक आहे, टँकची लेंथ, ब्रेथ आणि हाईट तुम्हाला दिलेली आहे. तर त्या टँकची टोटल कॅपॅसिटी एक सांगायची आहे आणि टँक मध्ये टोटल किती लिटर पाणी बसतंय हेही आपल्याला सांगायचं आहे. सो व्हेरी फर्स्ट जो टँक आहे तो क्युबॉइडल आहे. देअरफॉर व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ क्युबॉइड V is equal to L into B into H. So what is L? 10 into 6 into 3. 6 3 is 18. That is 180 cubic meter. Cubic meter is the capacity of this tank, and we know 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter of water. So multiply this. So weight is equal to 180,000 liter. That means tank can hold 1,80,000 liter water.